Chapter 14. Active and Passive Voice. Get, set, go. Learn with me. Read the two sentences below. Ram wrote a letter. A letter was written by Ram. The first sentence is about the doer Ram and it describes what he did. The second one is about the letter and it says who wrote it. The first sentence is said to be in the active voice and the second in the passive voice. We also say that the active voice focuses on the doer of the action, the subject, and the passive voice focuses on the action and the receiver of the action, the object. Rules to form passive voice from active voice. Rule 1. The subject and the object are cross-changed, meaning the subject of the active voice becomes the object of the passive voice and the object of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. Rule 2. An appropriate form of the verb is used, followed by the past participle form of the main verb. Rule 3. The preposition by is added before the object. Rule 4. Rules for changing the pronoun. If the subject or the object in an active voice sentence is a pronoun, then changes are made as given below. Active subject, I. Passive subject, me. We, us. You, he, him. She, her, they, them, it. Examples. We watched a movie. Active. A movie was watched by us. Passive. They played a friendly match. Active. A friendly match was played by them. Passive. Rule 5. If the subject of a sentence in the active voice is unknown, unimportant, obvious, then by plus object should be omitted. Examples. We make curd from milk. Active. Curd is made from milk. By plus us. Passive. Rule 6. If there are two objects in a sentence, then only one object is interchanged. The second object remains unchanged. Examples. She gave me a chocolate. I was given a chocolate by her. Or a chocolate was given to me by her. Passive. Rules for changing tenses. Tense or modal plus base. Simple present. Active voice, play, plays. Passive voice, am played, is played, are played. Present continuous. Am playing, is playing, are playing. Am being played, is being played, are being played. Present perfect. Has played, have played. Has been played, have been played. Simple past, played. Was played, were played. Past continuous. Was playing, were playing. Was being played, were being played. Past perfect. Had played, had been played. Future with will, can, may, must, should plus base form. Will play, can play. May play, should play. Will be played, can be played, may be played, should be played. Now look at more examples. Active. Gopal has written the letter. Passive. The letter was being written by Gopal. We played a football match. A football match was played by us. They were planning a Manali trip. A Manali trip was being planned by them. Reema had completed the task. The task had been completed by Reema. I will send a gift. A gift will be sent. You can contact the owner. The owner can be contacted. Remember, if we don't know the doer, we use the passive voice rather than the active voice. If we have a doer, then we use the passive voice rather than the active voice. The doer is not important.